Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of creating and monetizing a successful YouTube channel. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of creating and monetizing a successful YouTube channel. Starting your own YouTube channel and turning it into a revenue-generating platform involves a series of well-defined steps. First, decide on your channel's niche or theme, something you are passionate about and which has an audience interested in that topic. Once you have your niche, create a Google account if you don't already have one, since YouTube is linked to Google services. Next, head over to YouTube and click on the user icon at the top right corner to create a new channel. Choose a name that's memorable and reflective of your content. Customize your channel by adding a compelling banner, profile picture, and an engaging description that clearly explains what viewers can expect. The next step is creating high-quality content. Plan your videos carefully, focusing on content that entertains, educates, or inspires your target audience. Use good lighting and clear audio to enhance video quality and keep your viewers engaged. Upload videos consistently to build an audience over time. Optimize each video with strong titles, descriptions, and relevant tags to improve discoverability. Promote your channel across social media platforms and engage with your audience by responding to comments and fostering a community. Once your channel meets the YouTube Partner Program requirements, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for monetization. After approval, you can start earning through ads displayed on your videos. Beyond ads, explore other revenue streams such as channel memberships, super chat during live streams, merchandise shelf integration, and affiliate marketing. Continuously analyze your channel analytics to understand what content resonates most with your audience and refine your strategy accordingly. Patience and consistency are key as you grow your channel and increase your income. Lastly, never forget to keep your passion alive and stay authentic to build trust and loyalty. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us and get more valuable content like this.